Chapter 4. Working with Graphics. Graphics can include a wide variety of images, including pictures and drawing objects. MS Word 2016 provides many graphical tools such as smart art, shapes, online pictures, and screenshots. This helps to make the document impressive. It allows to edit the graphics and pictures in the document. Inserting a picture. Adding pictures to your document can be a great way to illustrate important information and add decorative accents to the existing text. When used in moderation, pictures can improve the overall appearance of your document. Step 1. Place the insertion point where you want the image to appear. Step 2. Select the Insert tab on the ribbon, then click the Pictures command from the Illustrations group. Step 3. The Insert Picture dialog box will appear. Navigate to the folder where your image is located. Then select the image and click Insert. The image will be inserted in the document. Resizing the picture. Step 1. Select the picture which you want to resize. Step 2. Click and drag one of the corner sizing handles. The image will change size while keeping the same proportions. If you want to stretch it horizontally or vertically, you can use the side sizing handles. Cropping the picture. When you crop an image, part of the picture is removed. Cropping can be useful if you are working with an image that is too big and you want to focus on only a part of it. Step 1. Select the image you want to crop. The Format tab will appear. Step 2. On the Format tab, click on the Crop option in the Size group. Step 3. Cropping handles will appear on the sides and corners of the image. Click and drag any handle to crop the image. Because the cropping handles are near the resizing handles, be careful not to drag a resizing handle by mistake. Step 4. To confirm, click the Crop command again. The image will be cropped. The corner handles are useful for simultaneously cropping the image horizontally and vertically. Inserting online pictures. If you do not have the required picture you want on your computer, you can find a picture online to add to your document. To insert online picture, follow the steps given below. Step 1. Place the insertion point where you want to insert the online picture. Step 2. Click on the Online Pictures option on the Insert tab in the Illustrations group. The Insert Pictures dialog box will appear. Step 3. Enter the keyword for your search item in the Bing Image Search text box and click on the Search button or press Enter. Step 4. This will display another screen showing the images of various categories. Step 5. Select the image and click on the Insert button. The selected image will appear in your document. Inserting shapes. You can add a variety of shapes to your document, including arrows, callouts, squares, stars, and flowchart shapes. While you may not need shapes in every document you create, they can add visual appeal and clarity. To add shapes to your document, follow the given steps. Step 1. Select the Insert tab, then click on the Shapes command in the Illustrations group. A drop-down menu of shapes like lines, rectangles, basic shapes, etc. will appear. Step 2. Select the desired shape. Let's say you want to create a banner. Point to the Stars and Banners category and select Curve and Title Down shape. Step 3. The cursor will change to plus. Click and drag in the desired location to add the shape to the slide. Adding text in a shape. Step 1. Right-click on the shape and select Add Text from the shortcut menu. Step 2. The insertion point appears inside the shape. Now you can type the text. Fact bit. To maintain the height and width ratio of a shape, hold down the Shift key while you drag the shape. Changing the shape's fill color. You can change the shape's fill color by following these steps. Step 1. Select the shape you want to change. Step 2. On the Format tab, click the Shape Fill drop-down arrow. Select the color you want to use. To view more color options, select More Fill Colors. The shape will appear in the selected fill color. Changing the shape outline. Step 1. Select the shape you want to change. Step 2. On the Format tab, click on the Shape Outline drop-down arrow. The Shape Outline menu will appear. Step 3. Select the color you want to use. If you want to make the outline transparent, select No Outline. The shape will appear in the Select Outline color. From the drop-down menu, you can change the outline color, weight, thickness, and line pattern also. Inserting Smart Art. Smart Art allows you to communicate information with graphics instead of just using text. There are a variety of styles to choose from, which you can use to illustrate many different types of ideas. To insert some Smart Art illustrations, follow the steps. Step 1. Place the insertion point in the document where you want the Smart Art graphic to appear. Step 2. On the Insert tab, select the Smart Art command in the Illustrations group. Step 3. A dialog box will appear. Select a category on the left, choose the desired Smart Art graphic, then click OK. Step 4. The Smart Art graphic will appear in your document. Enter text next to each bullet in the text pane. The text will appear in the corresponding shape. It will be resized automatically to fit inside the shape. Inserting Word Art. The Word Art feature helps in editing and formatting the text. These configurations outline text and fill them with color or a gradient. Some add 3D effects and some add shadows. Some include reflections of text and some render the text transparent. To insert Word Art, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on the Insert tab. Step 2. Click on Word Art button in the text group. A drop-down menu will open. Step 3. Choose one of the images from the drop-down menu. Each contains a letter A drawn in a Word Art style. Step 4. Click the option you have chosen. A new text box will appear in the document containing the message Your text here in the style that you choose. Step 5. Replace the sample text with the text that you want. Then drag the text box to place the text where you need it. Step 6. Select the text and click on Text Fill drop-down arrow in the Word Art Styles group on the Format tab. Select the desired color and observe the change. Step 7. Similarly, outline color and text effect can be changed by using Text Outline and Text Effects option. Adding a text box. Text boxes can be useful for drawing attention to a specific text. They can also be helpful when you need to move text around in your document. Word allows you to format text boxes and the text within them with a variety of styles and effects. Step 1. Select the Insert tab, then click on the Text Box command in the text group. Step 2. A drop-down menu will appear. Select Draw Text Box. Step 3. Click and drag the mouse anywhere on the document to create the text box. Step 4. The insertion point will appear inside the text box. You can now type to create text inside the text box. You can resize the text box also as per your requirement. Step 5. If you want, you can select the text and then change the font, color and size by using the commands on the Format and Home tabs. Step 6. Click anywhere outside the text box to return to your document. You can also select one of the built-in text boxes that have predefined colors, fonts, positions, and sizes. If you choose this option, the text box will appear automatically, so you will not need to draw it. Applying styles. A style is a predefined combination of font style, color, and size that can be applied to any text in your document. Styles can help your documents achieve a more professional look and feel. You can also use styles to quickly change several things in your document at the same time. It gives a more polished look to the text. To apply built-in styles, follow the given steps. Step 1. Select the text you want to format or place your cursor at the beginning of the line. Step 2. In the Styles group on the Home tab, click on the More drop-down arrow. Step 3. Select the desired style from the drop-down menu. The text will appear in the selected style. Smart bit. To view the Styles task pane, use the Alt plus Control plus Shift plus S key combination. Applying a style set. Style sets include a combination of title, heading, and paragraph styles. Style sets allow you to format all elements in your document at once instead of modifying each element separately. Step 1. On the Design tab, click on the More drop-down arrow in the Document Formatting group. Step 2. Choose the desired style set from the drop-down menu. The selected style set will be applied to your entire document. Lesson sum up. MS Word 2016 provides many graphical tools such as Smart Art, Shapes, Online Pictures, and Screenshot. Word Art feature helps edit and format text. Text boxes can be useful for drawing attention to specific text. Text boxes can also be helpful when you need to move text around in your document. A style is a predefined combination of font style, color, and size that can be applied to any text in your document. Styles can help your documents achieve a more professional look and feel.